High speed and high power from Phoenix Contact. The PC5 plug connector range with click and lock. When inserted, the connection automatically clicks into place and can be removed in one easy step. In addition to the classic PCB connection, panel feed-throughs and free-hanging connections can be easily implemented and securely locked. With screw connection and a direct plug-in system for currents of up to 41 amps, the twin SPC5 connector also enables looping through from device to device. CombiCon Power PC5. High power at high speed.